Samsung dishwasher complaint does not work. Power to ground touchpad control is inoperative. Flashing light due to sudsing. Indication light of a water breach. Dishwasher has completely override the touchpad control, not allowing any functions. Due to the wrong detergent causing a high sudsing, which the suds entered into the dry chamber where the sensor network for a water breach is located down at the base of the dishwasher. And it has now disabled all functions and control. The fix for that is drying out the water off of the electrodes that senses a water breach and drying the wet sensors. In terms of repair and replacement, this dishwasher is a minimum of 5 years old, no more than 11 years old. Based off of usage and satisfaction of usage during that time, if owner of dishwasher is not satisfied with the cleaning, then the amount for the repair of uninstalling, reinstalling, and drying the electrodes could be applied towards the purchase of a new dishwasher. The repair of this design would be close to half the cost new. Current times for these designs, you can buy these designs for right around $400 minus installations. Installation is about $150 in our area and region. Due to the age and the satisfaction of the wash or non-satisfaction of the operation and wash is the determining factor of repair or replace. At this time, because of this design, you can purchase new online or at the local distribution outlets, Home Depot, Lowe's, Best Buy. They are retail priced reasonable to purchase new, because this one is a minimum of 5, less than 10. Pump is engaged. Indicator lights on due to sudsing. At this time, the default system is engaged, attempting to pump out any water that may be in the dishwasher as a anti-flooding system. When the electrodes get wet, the dishwasher goes into default and the pump is provided a ground, power to ground, to turn the pump on. And the pump will remain on for the duration of the electrodes being wet. The quickest fix for a problem such as that is pulling the dishwasher out of the cavity and tilting it and pulling it forward, spilling the water forward off of the electrodes. That would be a temporary fix. A permanent fix is to completely disassemble and dry out and remove standing water on the electrodes. At this time, dishwasher is being determined to be replaced due to satisfaction of wash